Hello learners, this is Scott or Mr. CMT and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about Tagalog pronouns. But before we start, please check out my playlist and click on the Learning Filipino Words to watch all the videos on how to learn the Filipino language the fun, casual, and easy way. Tagalog pronoun is not gender specific. Unlike the standard American language or pronouns, in Tagalog, you can use the same pronouns when talking about or to any person. So let us begin. Let's talk about first person singular. Ako, ko, akin. Again, ako, ko, akin. First person plural. Kami, tayo. Again, kami, tayo. Second person singular. Ikaw, ka, or mo. Again, ikaw, ka, or mo. Second person plural. Ninyo or nyo, kayo. Nyo, kayo. Third person singular. Siya or niya. Siya or niya. Third person plural. Sila or nila. Sila or nila. Now let's use it in phrases. Ako si Scott. Ako si Scott. I am Scott. Ako si Scott. Ako ay Filipino. Ako ay Filipino. I am Filipino. Ako ay Filipino. Scott ang pangalan ko. Scott ang pangalan ko. Scott is my name. Scott ang pangalan ko. Bag ko ito. Bag ko ito. This is my bag. Bag ko ito. This is my bag. Ang bag na iyan ay akin. Akin. Ang bag na iyan ay akin. That bag is mine. Ang bag na iyan ay akin. Lahat na ito ay akin. Lahat na ito ay akin. These are all mine. Lahat na ito ay akin. Kami ay Americano. Kami ay Americano. We are Americans. We are Americans. Kami ay Americano. Kami ay pagod. Kami ay pagod. We are tired. Kami ay pagod. Tayo na mga Amerikano. Tayo na mga Amerikano. Us Americans. Us Americans. Tayo na mga Amerikano. Tayo na. Tayo na. Let us go. Let us go. Tayo na. Ikaw ay Filipino. Ikaw ay Filipino. You are Filipino. Or you are a Filipino. Ikaw ay Filipino. Ikaw ay maganda. Ikaw ay maganda. You are beautiful. Or for male, ikaw ay guwapo. Ikaw ay guwapo. You are handsome. Ikaw ay guwapo. Filipino ka? Filipino ka? Are you a Filipino? Filipino ka? May pera ka? May pera ka? Do you have money? May pera ka? Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? What is your name? Anong pangalan mo? Saan ang bahay mo? Saan ang bahay mo? Where is your house? Saan ang bahay mo? Anong pangalan nyo? Anong pangalan nyo? What are your names? Anong pangalan nyo? Normally, you ask this when you are either texting or you are on the phone and you want to ask their location. You say, nasaan kayo? Nasaan kayo? Or, nasaan kayo? Where are you guys? Where are you? Nasaan kayo? This is actually plural in form. Kamusta siya? Kamusta siya? How is she or he? How is she? How is he? Kamusta siya? Kamusta siya? Tulog siya? Or is he or she sleeping? Tulog siya. He is or she is sleeping. Tulog siya. Or tulog siya. Kamusta sila? How are they? Kamusta sila? Sila. How are they? Sila ay kumakain. They are eating. Sila ay kumakain. They are eating. Or you can say, kumakain sila. Or sila ay kumakain. They are eating. These are just simple phrases to keep in mind when you want to be particular with what and who you are talking about. Again, Tagalog pronouns are not gender specific, and all you need to learn is the number of person involved during the conversation and how you will deliver it, whether it be a statement or a question. Did I forget something? Please type it in the comment section below to help me learn more Tagalog with you. And now for the tongue twister. Ako ay ikaw ay akin, kaya tayo ay tayo at hindi tayo sila. Ako ay ikaw ay akin, kaya tayo ay tayo at hindi tayo sila. Ako ay ikaw ay akin, kaya tayo ay tayo at hindi tayo sila. Whew! Can you do it? Okay, you can find that tongue twister in the comment section below. And now for the tidbits and bonus about the Philippines. Did you know that the national flag of the Philippines, or ang pambansang watawat ng Pilipinas, is a horizontal flag bicolor with equal bands of royal blue and crimson red, with a white equilateral triangle at the hoist. In the center of the triangle is a golden yellow sun with 8 primary rays, each representing a Philippine province. Batangas, Bulacan, Cavite, Laguna, Manila, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, and Tarlac. At each vertex of the triangle are stars that represents the 3 major islands of the Philippines, namely Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Did you also know that the Philippines flag unique feature is its usage to indicate a state of war if it's displayed with a red band on top? So there you go, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have not followed me on all my social media accounts yet, here are my social media accounts. And once again, this is Scott and you are watching Mr. CMT. Have you described the picture yet? Have you put it in the comment section below? Please don't forget to describe it using Tagalog words only. Okay?